Yo guys, what's up? Gunna 226 here. Got a big package from Amazon today. Going to take a look what's in there. Do a little unboxing. Get a first look at what's going on using my favorite knife. It's the knife my daughter got me for Father's Day. So pretty cool. Sorry, the box doesn't really fit on the camera very well. I have a pretty good idea what it is. Been doing some more reloading, and when I go out to the range, it's going to come in pretty handy. Wow, I got a really big box for something that's not really big. Here, this is the Caldwell Brass retriever. It's falling out of the box. Alright. So you got the handle. Handle looks like it's collapsible. That's good. And, what else we got here? And the catcher. Oh, this is the thing that goes in the bucket. So maybe I'll do a little review on this later. So what happens if you just kind of like mow over the shells, and it fills up, stick it in the bucket, and twist it, and you can see it opens the gap, and you kind of shake them out. So I'll do a little review on this later after I've used it a little bit, see how it works. Alright, yeah, maybe we can try to demo this right now. What do you think? So to assemble it, you just screw this in. Pretty straightforward, right? Alright, you just kind of go back and forth and try to pick stuff up. Probably want to tighten that. That's already a problem, isn't it? Doesn't really tighten. Okay, this handle's a piece of junk. You can already tell. Alright, here we go. I got some brass. I'll throw it on the ground here. You guys can see that. Just gonna roll it over. Oh, looks like it cut a couple pieces. So yeah, there you go. Look at that. It works. Okay, don't do that. Stuff will fall out. But yeah, man, looks like it works. So I'll take this out to the range, pick up my spent brass. Maybe I'll make a video up there. But it looks like from initial, this handle could be an issue. I might just end up using looks like a standard broom handle. We'll take a look at that. Anyway, guys, get out there, shoot, protect the Second Amendment and your gun rights. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reloading videos.